so please consider as many times as you like.
Ooh. Number 1.
Easy. We're going for the considerable route, right?
No, don't look. Seible,
Wait, what?
Where are you looking at? No.
Oh, sorry. Oh, no, wait. It's an accident. I was closing my window, I promise.
Seible.
No!
We
no,
just met them.
I was closing my window, I promise.
That's the thing. They make it so obvious.
Wait, what do I do? Oh.
I mean, it's ramen, right? 3 minutes?
Oh, sorry. I pressed the wrong button. No, I'm locked in, I promise. I swear.
You were locked in. You're definitely locking into something.
No.